Hello, I'm Roger here at Prime Motorcars, Mercedes-Benz, Sprinter and Metris dealership here in Scarborough, Maine. Today I'm going to do a video of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz Metris Weekender Getaway van. This is steel blue, very nice color, painted bumpers. It has fog lights. You can see those down here in the bottom of the bumper. What a beautiful color, and a very nice, well-equipped Metris Getaway Weekender van. So we'll come around here to the passenger side. Can see right away too that it has the Mercedes-Benz aluminum wheels. And then we're going to start here in the cab. I want to show you these seats. So the seats here in the Metris Getaway, they are swivel seats. We have a lever right here on the inside, and we just pull that. We have to make sure the seat is ahead so it can bypass the B pillar, and then it spins right around. And the driver's seat does the same thing as well. We do have a table that goes in here. I actually have it set up today under our awning out here, but this is very nice. You can have a table sitting here. Folks can be sitting in this seat, and these two seats will swivel around. The other thing that I want to go to, since we're in the inside, so this van travels 5 people. It sleeps 4. This right here folds out into a bed. So we just simply pull up on the front of this, and this folds down. Then this seat right here, we have a lever right here. You just pull this lever, and this seat folds down. And then we have this back piece that folds down. So this folds out into a bed. This sleeps 2 people in here. Very spacious for the Metris van. Now I'm going to fold this back up. It's very, very simple. And then we just fold this part back up. And that latch is right in place. Then we just flip this back up. And then you just grab a hold of the front and slide it back up into place. It latches back into place. Now, standing in here, so you can see there's lots of headroom. And this up here is your second bed. You just simply, you have a strap here, you just simply pull this down. And then you have another bed up top here that sleeps 2 people as well. Looks like it's very comfortable. And we can just push that back up. It gives us lots of headroom in here, so if you're just hanging out inside the van, especially if it's raining, you can get in out of the rain. It's very comfortable in here. And then you can see I have our table set up outside. So this table also does attach to this device right here, so you can have it inside. Or you can simply leave the legs down like I have it. And you can set the table right inside and use it. So this is our awning. I have it displayed here. Pretty nice, especially if you're camping and it's raining. You can sit under the awning and enjoy the day without getting wet. And then another really nice feature too, both these sliding doors, they are electrically controlled. So we have a little switch right here. We can just press that. The door closes nicely. And then to reopen it, you can be on the outside. You just pull on the lever. Opens right up. And then we'll come around here to the back of the Getaway. So I've already attached the bike rack here to the trailer hitch. To open and close this door with the bike rack on there too, you just pull up, there's a little lever right here, you just pull up on that. The bike rack slides out of the way, and you can close your back door here. And then of course you can open it back up. So if I didn't have the bike rack in this trailer hitch and you wanted to tow a trailer with this Metris van, you can tow up to 5,000 pounds with the Metris as well. We'll come around here to the driver's side, just so you can get a good view of the interior. It does have the leatherette seats up front, which is really nice. It also has the comfort seat package, has cruise control, heated electric mirrors. It's got a beautiful backup camera. So folks, this is our 2020 steel blue Metris Getaway Weekender. Very nice. If there's anyone out there that's interested, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Roger. My cell phone number is 207-838-0169. Thank you so much.